Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of the brand new Midnight Black PS5 controller. Now I know a lot of people really wanted a Black PS5 and Sony hasn't released one just yet. I'm assuming they're going to make a Black PS5 Pro in a few years, but for now we have a Black Dualsense controller. We are one step closer to a full Black PS5 setup. As soon as Sony released the trailer for the new PS5 Dualsense colorways, I placed my pre-order literally a few minutes later. Super excited to open this guy. I paid $100 Canadian with the tax, and in the United States you can get this for $70. I'm super excited to unbox this, and I have my black DBrand faceplates coming in soon, so I will have that full Black PS5 very soon, and I'll be making a video on that when I have everything. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox the Midnight Black Dualsense controller. Alright, so there's the box. Pretty simple. It's essentially the exact same thing as the basic white Dualsense controller. It's literally just black, but anyways, let's just quickly take a look at the box. There's the sides, there's the back, haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. I wouldn't expect anything less for $100. Alright, we got a nice little pizza box here. Oh ho ho, here it is. DualSense wireless controller paperwork. And for the moment you've all been waiting for. If I can get it out. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god, that is just straight fire. It almost looks like a Batman controller. Damn, my god. This is just, oh man, oh my god. Alright, I just gotta calm myself down a little bit. This is just so nice. I don't know why they didn't release it in black, but if you guys were waiting for a Black PS5 or controller, here you go. This is a definite must buy, and I cannot wait for my DBrand faceplates to come in and then just have them go side by side. It is gonna look nice. Just look at the finish here. Nice matte black finish. It is two-tone, so the middle part is almost like a lighter black or almost like a really dark gray. You can't really tell on the video, but you can like kind of see it. The buttons are of course all blacked out, and the PlayStation icons are in gray. USB-C type charging on the top. You've got the adaptive triggers. There's the back. And on the bottom, there's the headphone jack. Oh, this just feels so nice. Like, I miss the feeling of when I first took the DualSense out of the box. I got my PS5 like 6 months ago, and the controller is definitely worn in a little bit. So it just feels super nice to have a fresh controller. And I'm definitely going to be using this one pretty much 99% of the time over the white. Unless this one dies, then I might switch over to the OG controller. But wow, this thing just looks so nice. And Sony did keep the PlayStation icon texture on the back of the controller. It's a little bit hard to see, but all of the PlayStation buttons like right here are on the back, which I'm really glad that they kept that with the new colors. And here's a comparison of the old versus the new. It's literally the exact same thing, except this one just looks so much better. I still really like the look of the original DualSense, but my god, who would have thought that people would have gone crazy over a generic black controller? But hey, this is a nice change and it looks really good. But those are the two controllers that I currently have. I'm planning on maybe getting that cosmic red. I'm not 100% sure just yet, but hey, maybe I'll get it around Christmas time or something. But that's a quick comparison of the white versus the black controller. Now to pair it up, I definitely had to get a black USB-C cable. I refuse to use the white cable just because I'm in like blackout mode right now. That looks so cool, like black and orange Halloween colors. And there we go, the black and blue. Just gotta do a quick update now. And there we go, it's all paired up to the PS5. So guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Midnight Black DualSense controller. Honestly, it's pretty crazy how hyped up I'm getting just because of a black controller when the original was white, and we've had black controllers for years now with Sony, so it's almost like weird that the 1 year that we don't get a black controller at launch, that they release a black controller and people go absolutely crazy for it. But I gotta admit, this thing does look really good, and I just can't wait for those DBrand plates to come in. The setup with a black PS5 and a official black PS5 controller is gonna look really cool, and I'm planning on making my desk setup for gaming like a whole blackout theme, and this puts me one step closer to completing that whole setup. Like I said, if you're in the United States, you can pick this up for $70. If you're in Canada, you're going to be paying a little bit more, but it is a definite must-have if you are in the market to buy a new PlayStation 5 controller. I think this is just one of the best colorways that you can get, considering the console didn't come with a black controller at launch, but I'm sure Sony is going to be releasing a ton of other cool colors very soon, especially with the announcement from Xbox that you'll be able to customize pretty much everything on your controller, and then they'll just build it and ship it to you. So I wouldn't be surprised if Sony ends up doing that as well. But for now, we got the Midnight Black and Cosmic Red controllers, and I gotta say the Midnight Black looks fantastic. And that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this video gave you a better look at the controller and helped you make that decision on whether whether or not to buy it. Also, if you guys are new to the channel and you want to take this relationship to the next level, make sure you hit that shiny red subscribe button. Lots of videos like this one are coming soon, and I don't want you guys to miss that Black PS5 video. I should be getting the plates in within a month, and I just can't wait to make that video and show you a Black PS5 setup. But for now, that's the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.